Want blinged out retainers but don't want to pay for it? Watch this video and learn how.
JB Moro, go and get your bag.
So what we have here is my denture brightener that I got from the orthodontist that helps brighten up my retainers. I have a bowl of water, and this is honestly my first time. Didn't look up how to use a denture cleaner, whatever this is. So honestly, I just took a swing at it, and we're gonna see how it turns out together. Tick tock, tick tock. I was very confused at first because it was fizzing. It was giving science project, very much so experimental, because like I said, I had no idea what I was supposed to do, how long it was supposed to stay. But just based off of common sense, I waited until the tab dissolved. So here it is, all blue, looking clean. Not really looking too different to me, but of course it was still in the water. I was more so gassed by the color. And that is my retainer case that I got from my orthodontist. Here I am trying to show you the water coming out to see if I could see any dirt in it. I will say I did not see a lot of dirt, or it wasn't dirty, because I make sure that I use this utensil here. And I will say this thing, I love it so much. I just use like Dawn to clean my retainers. So I put a little drop on the brush side that you see me using here, and just clean them babies. Sud it up. And don't worry about this muumuu dress I got on. It's my grandma's. She passed away 2003. So I like to wear it to, I don't know, feel close to her. And not for nothing, it's just comfortable. So judge your mother. So I'm cleaning up the retainers, making sure I don't have no studs in my mouth or no denture stuff. And again, I don't feel like it was a lot to do, simply because I clean my retainers multiple times a day. Like I said, that utensil is the holy grail, and this is just me showing you the end result. And these retainers are like my play retainers. I got them when I initially got my braces off, but these are my new ones. I just wanted to show you the growth, because I no longer have that crazy swelling. Do you see that? Gums was swole, okay? Oh, and that. Love that. For us girls who wear acrylic nails, I think that is the best. Alright, y'all. So this is my setup. These are from Michael's. You can get a whole bunch of them for, I want to say, like $13. And I don't suggest this for anyone else, but for me, I'm going to apply my stones with the E600. If I can open it, golly. Let me find out the person who used it last didn't. Okay. At my sweater party, somebody clearly messed up my junk. So I'm using, this is a true DIY. I am using a glue stick to apply. I'm gonna do my fangs, and that'll be on the top and bottom. So I'm gonna just dab some, literally like a little, that much. And I did a pearl. So the gag is, it's big, and I love it. Taking another dab, putting it on the other side. Small little, I could have did it smaller. Probably do a smaller one on the bottom. How we feeling it so far? I'm loving it. And again, these are my retainers when my gums was good and swollen. So in the event I mess up, what's the harm? You know? So we got the fangs here at the bottom. And because my bottom row is rather little, in my opinion, I always say I got little baby teeth. So we're gonna go with a, excuse me, we're gonna go with a smaller one. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's smaller, because it's smaller. I think they're pretty cool. Can't really see it. Which I like. So y'all stay tuned for the fitting. I don't know, y'all. I feel like I want to put one more, like a little, like some studs on here. I think I'm gonna put some diamonds. I can't resist it. I can't resist it. Let's see. Some little ones though, right? Some mad little ones. And I'm gonna put it right beside it to help it all pop. Y'all, look. DIY, this is a true DIY. And what's crazy is I was gonna go to Charlotte, right? Because this lady did my friends in Charlotte. And I want to say she charged like $60. And to me, I'm like, okay, cool. But the more I started thinking about that thing, I said, I'm a designer and I got this stuff right in my room. Do I really want to pay this? So I thought about it, and here we are. Doing it with E600. Again, kids, do not do this at home. Because this is a risk that I'm willing to take. In addition to the fact that these aren't my, like, everyday retainers. These are practice. And voila. Can you see it? But again, subtle enough that it's not too much. So of course we gotta go and do the bottom. But I was thinking, dang, maybe we should just keep it going, do it right beside each other. So we can help the pearl pop. Okay. Cause I'm so oxymoron, I'll switch up. Make something unique now. That's me. So we're going with some smaller jewels again. For the bottoms. I high-key want to put them like right here. I don't know how that will look. Nah. We committed to it. Darn, y'all. That's alright. I got these. If I feel really good about these, I'll do what I had, the ones I have on now. I'll do them. You know the coolest part? You don't feel any of this because it's on the retainer. No irritation or anything. Boom, the bottom. So we got the top and the bottom. I'm gonna put them together so you can see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm excited, y'all. The trial's coming